All right. Let's get this LCD screen placed. Yo, Smokey, we got a box for you. Here goes. Smokester. Got a box. You got a box. Get in. All right. Let's me and you do this. So I already took the screen off, as you can see. You guys run around for that. So broken screen. Get it out of here. What? You don't like that box? Huh, Smokester? All right, they gave me stickers. Stickers are for the side. Once I get everything installed, we'll do a quick test. Make sure everything is working. Make sure the screen isn't broken. I always like to check it before I install it. So, connect this guy and do a quick test. Hopefully you can see everything. All right, so on these high-end, oh, this is a low-end laptop, but on the higher-end laptops, I do like to. What is that? Thing I did scratch up the screen. I think that's just the plastic, hopefully. Anyway, let's turn it on. Let's see what happens. Yep, we got a screen, we got the logo, looking good. And the screen is not broken, so that's just plastic. So shut her down, and we will put the bezel on. Take the screen protector off, this thing here. We're going to shut down first. Shut her down. And we got a couple of screws that we'll put there. Which I hope I have. We got one of them here. Buy another one. Sure, I had it. I lost it. Hi, Smokester. Hi, Smokester. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you brought this up here? You brought it up here? Alright. I'll go back down and get it. I'm gonna fetch it. I'm gonna bring it. Alright, let's see how far we can get this guy to balance. Here he goes. Okay, since the screen is good, let's put a little tape right there. That will keep that connector good. Tape. This will keep the connector from coming off. Just a little added protection. Just a little piece of tape. Now, we're going to put these on. We'll take one. And you can put them on the screen or you can put them on the laptop. I think I kind of like to put them on the screen. I mean, on the LCD cover. And that way, you get this little piece that sticks out. Or you can pull on it. The next person can pull on it. And pull this adhesive off to get to the screen. I think the other one I did was a little bit too far up. We'll put this one a little further down. That's perfect. Smokey likes to help. Okay, that can still be pulled up because all you gotta do is grab this and pull it out, so that's okay. So now, let's put this on. Nice and good. Let's stamp it. It's looking good. Okay, found it. Yeah, and that is it. So with this adhesive on there, you know, this screw may not be as important, but these screws. But we're gonna go ahead and put it back the way it was. Go ahead and pull this off. I'll put the bezel on. There you go. Give that to Smokey, let him play with it. And now, bezel. This part's kind of tricky. Just get it in there, fit down in there. Looks good. Peekaboo. That's back in. That looks good right there. All right. Looks real good. Ow. Looking good. Bada boom, bada bing. It's a beautiful thing. All right. That one is done.